In today's video, I'm going to show you how to route and play back a virtual sound check to where you can make your mix even better for next Sunday. So let's dive right in. All right, so to get started, what you want to do is go into your routing, and then from there, you want to go to the W Live record. You'll click that, and then what you can do is assign all your channels that you want to be recorded, and then so you just press one, have it unlocked, and then let's say I want local in and I want to just put my talkback on there. That's all you have to do, and then from there you can go to your SD card and press record. Now, as you can see, it is already sending a signal through these channels, and any other channels that are sending a signal, you can monitor that right here and it'll show you exactly what is going to your SD card. Now, when you're done, all you have to do is press stop recording, and then you can go into your setup, and then that way you're not messing up what you already have going. You want to go to your alternate input, and then make sure that all of these are selected and highlighted just like mine are. And then what you want to do is go to your routing again and press channels, and then make sure you're on your alternate inputs, and then go through and click all of these and assign them to those channels. And then after that, all you have to do is go back to your SD card. Since you're in the alternate, I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but your board will show you on your scribble strip, it'll say channel like 33 alt. And it'll also say card 35 or 34 or 33, whatever that channel is assigned to. And then from there, all you have to do is press play if you have a show file already recorded in your sessions that will show up right here. It's really simple, and then from there, you just unmute and push faders just like you would on a regular gathering or rehearsal. Now, I hope that this quick little video on how to set up and play back your virtual sound check was helpful to you. Just remember that your SD card needs to be smaller than 32 gigs in order for this Behringer Wing to communicate with it and then format it once you get that card installed. Now, if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and check out my other Behringer Wing videos that I will link up above, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.